Hello, everyone. So today we're going to look into the ethical issue which is aroused by artificial intelligence. So the topic we're choosing today is AI and job displacement. So we do understand that the emergence of artificial intelligence brings a lot of convenience to humans because in the beginning, we invented the robot and the machinery to help us complete some of the tasks. But on the other side, we can have a lot of problem, which is reason by the artificial intelligence and the involvement of the AI. So here we have some of the example like security, privacy, autonomy, and bias. So here we are going to look into a specific problem, which is job displacement, and also we can know as unemployment. So if we look at this poster, we have the few sections here, and the first we're going to do a bit introduction on this topic. Um, the robot was first introduced and invented by someone back in the 20th centuries. So over time, we have more than 100 years. We evolve and keep working on perfect the AI, the robot and the machinery. So we can see there are a lot of artificial intelligence in the image of those AI in some of the science fiction movies or novels. But most of the script and the plot are overrated, exaggerated. For the current society, AI do cause a lot of some of the trouble, but not as serious as we can see in some of the novels and the drama or movies. To be more realistic and practical, uh, we're looking into the job in unemployment. So first, artificial intelligence is invented to help humans with some of the repetitive tasks and solving complex problems as involved. But we know the development of the artificial intelligence was very rapid. So here we have one of the major concern is that since its potential to automate jobs, and it will lead to widespread unemployment. Most of the industries such as manufacturing, transportation, and even retails are very vulnerable and can easily be affected by the automation because most of the jobs involves a repetitive task, which can be easily achieved by a AI or even simple robot. And AI and robot can even achieve the job by a more effective and efficient way. So if we're going to consider the cost and the profit, most of the owners of the job and the owner will easily choose AI instead of human workforce. So now the object here is to try to see what are the possible solutions to solve the current issue, and we're going to make the conclusion upon the issue. So simply put, we have the problem statement is the rapid development of artificial intelligence caused massive unemployment, and as a result, it severely threatens the well-being of humans, which are the creators of the AI. So on the right hand side, we have a chart about the task that AI should take over. So here is only the statistics about the situation in the United States. We can see that most easily or most prone to be replaced by AI is data processing and some of the automated digital tasks, followed by information discovery and mistake reduction. Um, so the least easiest to be replaced is the problem solving because it involves more sophisticated mind and critical thinking, which is not easily be can be replaced by artificial intelligence. So if we look further, we can have some of the cases here. Um, for some examples, we have the companies like Tesla and Waymo, and as well as some of the other companies are working on the development of auto cars, which is also known as self-driving cars. We put a core of AI in the car, and then it can just help himself and start the car and drive around without navigation by the humans, which can largely reduce the time and the energy that we put into the driver industry. So not only taxi industry, also the truck driving, the cargo delivering, and the food delivering, and many other like piloting and many other areas like this can be easily affected by the AI. And the second one is the AI translator applications on not only smartphone but also other devices, because they're so powerful and strong that those applications can easily support mostly all the languages on this planet, and continuously perfecting the applications by the developers can help the applications to translate things easily and accurately, even better than a human. This, and we can also see some of the functions in the applications, like simultaneously recording the voice and output the other language that designed. This is also very powerful and convenient rather than a real human. So the next one is machinery. So this is the most traditional one. Uh, Most of the repetitive tasks, like the cashier, waiting the tables, librarians, like the stocking or putting a bookkeeper, receptionist, this kind of missions can be easily done by machineries. So the owner of the institution can easily save more money and put it into other works. Furthermore, we have realms like agriculture, like auto workshop, and even internet. So AI plays a very important role and can complete the task easier, better, and quicker than humans. So ultimately, the goal of applying AI to most of the jobs is that it can help to save more money and avoid a lot of trouble that can be caused by human workers. Uh, and on the right side, we also have a chart about jobs most likely to be taken by AI. So you can see 60% cashier, 51 driver, and translator 42%. So these three occupations are the most likely to be taken over, and we can see the sign that is happening right now, slowly and slowly. And also the customer service, bookkeeper, cleaner, bartender, and stocking associate. Those kind of jobs are also related to repetitive jobs, and so that they can also be easily replaced. So now we're going to move to the next section, which is a suggestion. So how can we deal with the current issue? I think this is a more than just one man's effort. We need to have efforts from different area, from different parties. Uh, so first thing is that mm, the job creation in AI and technology development fields, including roles in AI ethics, maintenance, and programming. So this kind of jobs can be easily created and created more and more. So this is advised to be promoted widely, which means we provide more jobs relevant to AI industries, and we can hire more employees so that less people will be unemployed. And the next is the government and the institutions. So the two sides can invest more in the reskilling and the upskilling programs. to help the workers to adapt and transit to the AI relevant jobs. This is quite similar to the first one, because first we create the jobs and then we train the people to be able to make them be able to work in the relevant realms. The next one is like the education system. This is the reformation to STEAM, which is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And if we put the people to this kind of those relevant jobs like this, so the learners can be easily prepared. So the first three statements are quite similar and connected together. The first is that we need to core on the unemployment benefits and the welfare. So this must be strengthened by the government and some of the relevant department, so that we can support the workers who lose their job due to the AI development. And the AI development can be restricted, can slow down properly if we have a agreement on how we can trying to keep the AI not going too fast, so that we can help to maintain some jobs for humans. This need to be have agreement and associated by the negotiation by different parties. So, going to jump to the conclusion to this problem. So we have to, if we're going to tackle this problem, the effort must be made not only by one single party, but must be multiple parties, including government, business enterprises, and educational institutions and workers themselves. So together, we're going to think about a way to tackle this problem and trying to find a balance between the AI and the human workers and regarding this issue. We are not simply saying that AI is sabotaging the human future, but we are saying that we can find a balance and trying to slow down so that we can provide more jobs to our workers in the world. So with this, I end my poster sharing about ethics problem of AI on the job displacement realm. So thank you very much for listening. Goodbye.